beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie, and if you've seen me for the first time, then welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for stopping by once again. I really appreciate you. I know I've been slacking with the videos lately, but please bear with me. Today I'm here to talk about a product that is super hyped on YouTube. Super hyped. Okay, and I've watched a ton of videos about this product, and it's supposed to be like a magical product. It's gonna make your skin plump, it's gonna give you this, it can smooth out your makeup, it can do magic basically. And I'm here to give you my honest opinion, and it's this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. Okay, so what do I think about this? This is super pricey. I mean, this bottle cost me about, I think I got this for like $100, 1,000 crowns, which is a lot of money. Yeah, it's a lot of money if you ask me. It came with this super tiny eye cream, and this is a 75 ml bottle, and you see, it's actually peeling off. You can see my hands, you can see the glitter. I don't know if you can see the glitter, but it's peeling off, and it's the same thing at the back. Honestly, I've been using this for like 2 months plus. I haven't seen any, I don't see the magic that this has done on my face, to be honest with you. To me, I think this is a super waste of money. This is a total waste of money if you ask me. I've bought products from Lauder that works magic more than this, and it's just pricey for nothing. I mean, if it worked for the price, it's supposed to remove 5 years off of my face. Yes, but this, honestly, save your money for something else. I don't know why people really rave about this. I mean, it's okay, but I expected a lot more. Maybe because of the videos that I've been watching, I just thought this was going to do wonders for my skin, but it hasn't really done anything dramatic. So I think I'm definitely going to use up this bottle, but would I be buying this again? No. I don't think I'm going to waste my money on this. Sometimes because I see people put it underneath their makeup and it magically just makes the makeup look better. But when I do that on my face, honestly, I don't see any difference. I could still do that with a regular lotion and it's gonna be the same result. So to me, no. And I'm not gonna talk much about this eye cream because I've been using it sometimes, the days I remember, so I've not been really testing this one, but this one I use almost every night, and some days I skip a day or two to use other products, but I've been using this consistently, and all the wrinkles on my face are supposed to be gone by now. Okay, I'm supposed to be 5 years younger, but this is just a waste of money if you ask me. Will I use this again? Yeah, if somebody gives it to me, I would definitely use it. But would I buy this again? I do not think so. I don't think so. No shade, no bad blood, no nothing. But to be honest, and you see the glitter on my hands? The bottle is supposed to be better than this. Please don't come for me. This is my opinion. It might work for your skin, but it doesn't do anything for my skin. So I just wanted to review this product. And this one, honestly, it's an eye cream. It looks like this. I'm just gonna show you the consistency. It's like a gel-like consistency. I've been using it on my eyes sometimes, but to be honest, I've not been very consistent with this one to actually even notice a difference. But this one I've been using almost every day, and that's the consistency of that one. It's a bit watery. It's in between a watery product and a gel. It absorbs nicely on the skin. It doesn't leave any residue, so for that it's okay. So yeah, that is my honest review of this product. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.